Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make See's chocolate lollipops. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I'm sure most of you are familiar with See's candy. When I was in junior high school, we had a fundraiser where the students were tasked with selling See's lollipops, and we raised a good amount of money. I may or may not have been my best customer. I recently decided to see if I could mix some of those lollipops here in the candy kitchen, and it took me a couple of tries, but I think I came up with a recipe that produces a pretty faithful recreation of those delightful little cubes on a stick. Let's get into it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own chocolate lollipops, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I'm also using 2 plastic ice cube trays sprayed with cooking spray, a saucepan, a spatula, a thermometer, and some lollipop sticks. Okay, let's make some candy. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, combine the sugar, corn syrup, cream, and cocoa powder. Stir the mixture until the sugar is dissolved and bring it to a boil. Clip a thermometer to the saucepan and cook the mixture, stirring occasionally until it reaches 305 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pan from the heat and quickly mix in the vanilla and salt. Pour the mixture into the prepared ice cube trays. Allow the candy to thicken up a bit, then insert a lollipop stick into the middle of each cube. Or don't wait for it to thicken and play whack-a-mole with the sticks until they stay in place. Let the candy cool completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator until it sets. Once they're set, remove the lollipops from the tray. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Well, I could not be happier with these. The flavor and texture are a spot-on match for the See's lollipops I remember. This is awesome. If you're a sucker for See's lollipops, you really ought to try these. 1/4 cup of